Have you ever been incredibly excited about a learning opportunity, only to find yourself fighting boredom and struggling to keep your eyelids open? What you likely experienced was quality content lacking sound andragogy, or the method and process by which adults learn. My name is Jared Spate. I'm an instructional designer, professional educator, and lifelong learner, and this is my philosophy of instructional design. The three goals I have for all instructional content I produce are to engage the learner, align the content to learning outcomes, and support strategic goals. And how do we accomplish those goals? By using the ADDIE framework. No, not that linear ADDIE model. This dynamic ADDIE framework. Using ADDIE as a framework accommodates most instructional design models, which is a good thing, as different contexts call for different models of instructional design. A large one-time workshop a month away may utilize the Dick and Carey model, while a training session with far greater sense of urgency will undergo multiple iterations could benefit from using the successive approximation model, SAM, or the agile development methodology. Just as different contexts call for differing design models, various activities and desired learning outcomes align better with specific theories. With this in mind, an integrative approach using multiple theories will likely be more successful than utilizing just one. The five main learning theories are behaviorism, cognitivism, constructivism, humanism, and connectivism. Behaviorism is focused on observable stimulus response behaviors. While this may bring back the idea of getting a sticker on excellent work or getting your color pulled for undesirable behaviors, not that you ever had to do that, it has its place in adult training. Behaviorism can be practiced with simulation activities and teach necessary processes and responses for workplace events. Cognitivism focuses on internal thought processing. It can be used in reflection and have learners explain the rationale for thoughts and behaviors. It can also be useful in helping learners see the connection between multiple events. With constructivism, learners are building new knowledge on top of their previous experience. This can take the form of collaborative learning, particularly in problem and inquiry based learning scenarios. Humanism is focused on the potential of the learner, not the processes or materials involved in the learning. Learning opportunities should address the whole learner and create an environment where they can move towards self actualization. Allowing choice and promoting self evaluation are two humanist approaches to teaching and learning. The last major learning theory is connectivism, which focuses on the learner's ability to unlearn and relearn as new credible information becomes available. Connectivism can be cultivated by creating professional learning networks and sharing ideas in collaborative processes. With all these learning theories and their accompanying activities, it's important to note that technology can play a major role, but technology itself should be a means and not an end. That is to say, technology should be a tool to support learning outcomes and not be the focus. Learning activities may be fun and engaging for participants, but this isn't Little League. Having fun is not the end game. What matters most and what keeps instructional designers employed are the end results. James and Wendy Kirkpatrick define effective training as training that is well received and provides relevant knowledge and skills to participants and the confidence to apply them on the job. But how can we measure effective training? Well, fortunately, their father, Dr. Don Kirkpatrick, created a useful model for evaluation. The Kirkpatrick model breaks evaluation into four levels. The first level is reaction. Did participants think the training was relevant and engaging? Next, we have learning. Did participants acquire the desired knowledge and skills? Level 3 is behavior. Did the learning transfer? Did the participants apply the behavior in non training environments? The last level is results. Did the learning result in the targeted strategic outcome? The first two levels of evaluation are the easiest to measure, but levels 3 and 4 show the true value of effective instructional design. As for me achieving my goals and desired learning outcomes, I'll continue my personal learning and development with readings and workshops alongside my professional learning community to continue my growth as an instructional designer. I'm eager to learn alongside you and create new learning opportunities to improve organizational efficiency and outcomes aligned with strategic goals.